This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Oof, I'm early today, huh? Why is there no camera? Again. Oh, yeah, Discord. Fucking Discord. Well done. I'm here. What do I gotta do? Click once over there, once over there. Okay, so I'm testing just quick the new alerter system that from the observation I made yesterday. So far it's just started. It's up $352. I think it's going to do well. Just take a quick look. 30-minute. We only swept the highs of the Asian session. We're above VWAP. We're above the previous day's high. Yesterday closed at the high. Very strong day. So that's bullish. Let me just go to strategy. So wonderful, they're all off. Oh well. Positions, connections. Let me open up my connections. 1, 2, and 3. Take profit trader is close to passing. How much does it need? Take profit trader, $825, $175 till we pass take profit trader. So we're going to trade that one conservatively. But user is going to get traded a little aggressively this morning. Let's get up user. And let's go to, okay, I don't have to go from 3 lots to 30 lots. About 8 lots. 3, 2, yeah, 8 lots. 8 or 12 lots. That'll be good. Open up my chat. Docs, chat. Good morning, good morning, good morning, all of you. Good morning. And we are live in 2, 1, 0. Made it just in time. Coming down.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Let me get the 2 cams. There we go.
Thought maybe you were still sleeping.
No, I had work to do. I was scrambling as fast as I can.
Yeah, take your time.
Oh, I got it done. Okay, come on. What is it? I'm only going to catch 2s and 3s. What's the volatility? Oh my God, I didn't even notice.
Are you live? What?
I think so. Talking to me?
Yeah.
I should be. It looks like I am. I'm watching a screen that looks like I'm live.
Is there 2 streams?
I don't know.
Load.
Yeah, I should be live. I just looked at OBS. It said end broadcast. Wouldn't say end broadcast if it wasn't live. Come on, Pop.
I see you now. I guess I had to reload. That was weird.
Oh, my heart. My heart. Oh, you don't hear what goes on my screen, eh?
I don't think so.
Sounds like a heart monitor. Why does it sound like a heart monitor? That's the 2-minute ORB alert. Are we gonna get along on the 2-minute?
I don't know. I would suspect so.
Okay, I'm out. I'm out. What's with the big size lately? I'm okay. On the bottom is an alert. Me and Omnius worked on an alert, and I made an observation. So I modified the alert. Look how beautiful my bottom trade is doing. I call it the vacuum. I noticed it was vacuuming up points yesterday, but in the wrong direction. So I modified the alert, added one extra condition, and it goes with the trend, as the other one did too. But this one really pulls in money. But you know what? I got to figure if I'm up $1,000, I am going to take it, and I am going to close the alerts until we get close to the bands again. So now I got to close the alert long and the alert short. It takes one at a time, but it accumulates positions. So we're going to see how it goes. Anybody, if you notice that we get close to the bands, let me know. I'm going to put the alerts back on. And then what else?
Slowly building into it.
One at a time. Yep. When we just cross the bands, as soon as you cross the bands,
Mm-hmm.
And it'll build and it'll build and it'll build, and it'll stop out if it goes on the other side of the bands. But that should be, hopefully, that should be a small trade. What could happen that's bad is you can take a few positions, get far away from the bands, and then get like a 100-point candle that takes you down, and that would hurt you because you'd have a decent sized position. But we'll see.
This thing's just to the moon, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Markets are very strong. Okay, so you're on. I didn't do a sound check.
Check. I didn't do one either. No, I did one. No, it sounded good. Check. I did one. It sounded good.
It was me who sang yesterday the song on the sound check, so this time it's your turn.
Was my turn?
Okay, we're perfectly even.
Whatever you said my turn was, I didn't hear it.
And the voice there. Let's go and log on to why is Dimitri laughing? Clear all. Let's go on to your stream.
Pushed up, reached a pivot point, pulling back from there. Can you hear me now?
No! I put your stream on again. There was music. I didn't have my Bluetooth things in.
Yeah, it's music by that one company.
Oh, yeah, it's in my description, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm curious. I'm going to have to check my live streams. Disconnected? I just put it in. Oh, you're not going to fuck with me. I'm not going to lose the whole fucking morning on that.
What was it?
My Bluetooth disconnected, and then it's so hard to connect. There, okay, this time it was easy. Such a
One of
stupid
those
thing.
streams I was doing the other day, I think I did 2 of them, and one of them I deleted the entire description, and the other one I left the description.
Okay.
And in the description was the music by Naver.
Oh yeah.
And when the streams got flagged, it was the one that didn't have that in there that got flagged. So I thought that was kind of interesting. So maybe it's
Well,
harder for them to flag it if you tell it it's from something.
yeah. I don't know. Okay, we're all good. I don't want to throw away this day here, so let's hurry up. Bum 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 bum. Oh yeah, what else? Okay. I did my homework. I'm done.
Done for the day. Okay, let's call it. Go take a nap.
We're on the bands. I could set my alert again.
Okay.
I can scalper long and scalper short. Let's see what it does now.
You were getting me excited about going to take a nap.
I'm gonna take a nap.
I just woke up.
So you guys can watch and see how it accumulates positions now. It's gone long again. We are long at 59 on Top Step, so I got in at 54. Unfortunately, I didn't get a full fill. I tried for an 8 lot. Uh, 65 is the exit. Oh well, too bad they didn't give me a full fill. So remember where I had you buying on the with the alert?
Yeah.
Or do we want to focus on the markets now and I'll tell you later?
You can tell me if it's quick.
Okay, so same thing, but there's no stop loss, there's no take profit. Every time it happens, it adds another position.
How do you know when to get out?
When it goes on the other side of the bands.
Okay.
And then it'll start doing it on the short side. Okay, that was a good trade. It's too bad it didn't fill me for 8.
Drinking water again today, so
Yeah, I got my water. Look, I got my water.
if I seem like I'm over here falling asleep, it's because I ain't got no energy
What happened?
drink.
You ran out of powder?
No, I got some. I got it right here.
So what's going on? The fasting, the intermittent fasting? You don't want to break the fasting?
Yeah, I just decided to starve myself for a day or two.
Okay. No, I was good yesterday. I didn't eat a lot, really. I don't even remember what... we just had a little bit of chicken for supper. I was... didn't take a lot.
It's funny because the family, they try to be supportive, but the more they try, like, the harder it is for them.
Yeah.
Wife came home yesterday, kept talking about food this, food that. And then she made food, and the girl asked me like 10 times when I was eating.
The best thing is to stay away. And for me, I'm a nighttime eater. Go to sleep. That's the best thing for me.
Yeah, I'm fine without the food. It's the drink that kills me.
Oh, come on. There's 20 calories you said in the thing. You
I know.
have 100 of them?
GPT says I can't have one. What can you do? Maybe if I make it through the day, maybe tomorrow I'll have one.
Yeah, nice. I don't know. For me, the problem is water. Drink more water, but I don't like cold water in the morning. And I'm not really in the mood for room temperature water either, to be honest with you. So there's no water that really thrills me too much in the morning. I don't know. I need my coffee. I tried tea, but tea's got caffeine, and it gives me the jitters.
Doesn't coffee have caffeine?
Nah, decaf. We drink decaf.
Decaf, okay. Wonder if I can have decaf coffee.
I give you permission. You are permitted.
I got a whole thing of decaf coffee. I need to drink it.
Yeah,
I told you I ain't been liking coffee because it just gives me the jitters.
I get too much anxiety.
Yeah.
If I have caffeinated drinks.
Maybe that's something with getting older or something. I never used to have that problem.
No, me neither. My brother used to tell me about it, and I used to say, oof, that sucks. Really, I just gave back a whole ton of my profits when that moved down. Okay, so you guys got to go out. Close 2. There we go. Now it will accumulate shorts. What are we going to go down to? Anything? VWAP, maybe? Just make a new US session low.
23,994. Yeah, we have a support around 985.
Got my volume that's quiet? Or is it just you? Is it both of us? We were fine on the stream.
What happened?
I don't know. It seems pretty quiet today. Oh, okay. No, all good. All good. $9:44. That's the alert, just in case there's news at 9:45. And soon we're going to have the 15-minute opening range. Close out in 50 seconds. We'll look for the 15-minute retest.
Is this the day we have news, or is that tomorrow?
Tomorrow's CPI, PPI.
Yeah.
I'm going to be down for that. I'm going to probably start streaming around 8 a.m. if you want to join in, want to wake up.
Jose, good morning.
Good morning, Jose. That's odd. Why didn't it hold the, did I not code the short side properly? Should have been holding the short. It got out.
Was there any trades you're looking at? Trying to trade this Nasdaq, but I'm not really seeing much.
Okay, so there it took a short. Shouldn't get out of that short. Okay, took another short. That's correct. Should never exit the short. Gonna have to watch and see.
I was getting worried. It came down and ticked my take profit and then shot back up. But it came down and got it.
Well, Trades by Matt says, don't be a dick for a tick. I tell my kids too, if you see, no. Why did it just lower the, okay, there's a problem. There's a problem.
If I'm in a manual trade, I would have just exited. It's a little bit more difficult when it's not a manual trade. Yeah, Jose, all-time high is pretty tough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower my position size, not copy trade as much, look for better setups, and on top of all that, bit off today because I ain't got no energy drinks, drinking water, and
Got no energy. Yeah.
ain't got no energy. I'm like falling asleep. I'll get through it. It's all right. I was doing a fast. I did a 1 day fast, but now I guess I'm going for a 2 day. I don't know.
Good, a good man. And
See what
that's
happens.
great.
I mean, I don't mind. It's just I just want my energy drink.
Hmm.
Yeah, you think my head would be a little bit more clear, but it's hard for me to concentrate without the energy drink.
45. Am I in less than 45? I am. Perfect. 38, I'll add.
So in my energy drink, it's a bunch of vitamins and stuff. So then my body's losing all those vitamins.
See if we can get a bounce off the US session lows that we just had there a couple of minutes ago. Hopefully we continue higher. That does not seem like a correct
So I read
placement.
something said they're expecting a rate cut in September. That's what's
Oh, yeah.
boosting the market.
45, 43. 47.
Yeah, Jose,
Yeah.
that's what I heard. First day is the hardest. I think yesterday I got off stream. I just went and took a nap for a few hours.
So you probably started, what are we today, Wednesday? You probably started Monday night after supper, no? So by
Yeah,
supper today, you're at 48 hours already.
right.
Yeah.
About
And
7, 8 o'clock the day would be 48 hours.
you find the hunger cravings have gone already?
I don't know. I'm too hungry to tell.
No, well, eventually you won't feel hungry anymore. That's so you haven't gotten there yet?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Like I said, my problem's the drink.
Yeah. Yeah, Omnis fasting. Well, you guys are starting a fast.
No, Butters is
Well,
fasting too. There you
I
go,
can't
Mike.
I can't do that. I got a wedding on Saturday.
Today's what, Wednesday? So you got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you have 2 days in between. You could do a
No,
1 day
you,
fast.
you don't want to break out of a fast with a big meal, a big wedding meal.
If it's a 1 day fast, I mean, it's not going to bother you. You don't want to break like a 3 day or a 7 day fast with a big meal.
Mm.
Then again, I don't know. Google it. I don't know what I'm talking about.
I'll wait. But maybe I'll do it. Let's all start next week, next Sunday.
You want me to do another one?
No, stop this one. Okay, something's going wrong. Why would that short?
Oh, just
Yes,
got
I
this
can
one.
see
I'm
that.
already
I know.
a day and a half into it.
For me, as a favor to me, I broke my 3-day fast with 2 giant omelets, and I was fine. I think if you keep the carbs down when you come out of a fast, it's all right. Yeah, I used to break my fast with just with a salad, actually, when I used to do it. Oops.
I think if I do it again tomorrow, I'm still gonna have my energy drink.
Okay, we're not going to get accurate numbers on the alerts because I have to put them on at the wrong time and see if they're trading, because it looked like the long one was trading below the bands, which it shouldn't be. The short position was getting smaller. I have no explanation for that, except for either that or somehow, is it possible? I used to have an alert stop. It used to stop out the trades. Is it possible it's still in memory somehow? I don't really know alerts, even though I deleted the alert.
See a push up on gold coming off of this gap. Anybody trading that?
Coming up what gap?
Gold came down, touched the gap, pushed off of it, broke a trend line, broke above the moving average, and pushing up.
No, but when you say the gap, you're talking on the daily, on the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute.
15. I guess that does make better context, huh?
Okay, I think I see which gap you're talking about. Yeah, I have the 30-minute chart, but I think I see what you're talking about.
Do you normally trade the 30-minute?
No, never. I just use it so I can get a bird's eye view of what's going on and where the significant support, resistance, or levels are, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Get an idea of the overnight high and low. Gold, what is gold doing? I wanted gold to break 3,500. Let's see if we can get some more people coming into our streams. Guys, hit the like button if you can. I'm testing my bot with YM, and it is beautiful when it goes up like that. I used to love trading YM and the Russell.
You'll never
Just
hear
too many
about
charts.
YM.
Yeah, I found it very steady. I guess that's the best word to use.
That's straight up to the moon, isn't it?
Yeah, less erratic. It was
Even
very
less
good.
erratic.
The
whole day is just straight up.
Well, that's less erratic. No, why are you laughing? Erratic, but erratic is when it goes on both sides. You know, it stops you out, and you know,
yeah, I know.
Erratic behavior. You know, it's, this is stable. It's like Bitcoin. It's phenomenal. Bitcoin's trading really nice now. Also, you know,
I would consider this erratic, just the straight up.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put. No, that's parabolic.
Yeah, I'd consider that too.
That's
we tried to make a new high in Nasdaq, failed. Now we're getting sell signals.
Okay, now I'm enabling the long side. Not because we should be taking long trades, because I want to make sure it's not taking long trades on this side of the fence.
So if we're going down, we're testing. We got the VWAP below us.
We're watching for the 15-minute retest at 28.
Oh, I think we're here now, right?
Yeah, pretty much. And now I'm not getting there nearly like I did last time. 27.
What's the worst that could happen? I was just kidding. Don't show me.
Don't show me.
It was a joke.
A 200-point rally.
I'll get out there for 12 points. Just because I made that joke.
How 12
Yeah.
points? I shorted it.
Actually, it was 13 points. I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
What mine
Get rid of
says.
that. Yeah. Get rid of the
Did you get in at
ATR.
the dotted line?
I got in at 27.75.
It was fast, wasn't it? It only took, what,
It was.
a tick of drawdown?
Okay, high
2
five.
ticks
We
of
got high five. We got a 15-minute retest. You're too slow.
Who's too slow?
You're too slow. I'm trying to do a high five
No.
with you.
There you go, high five. You gotta remember there's a huge delay.
No, Discord. You don't look at the Discord screen.
No. I got it
Where
right
is
there. Okay, better high five. There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
No, I'm never watching the screen, the streaming screen.
I told you I put you on the laptop over here.
Yeah, no, but it's Discord that I follow. Your stream is on my cell phone.
So I can look over here. I keep an eye on you with those 30-lot trades.
But yeah, okay. In order to see my trades, yeah, you got to be watching the stream. It's true. We were talking about you yesterday.
Talking about who?
You.
Uh-oh, I didn't do it. Chat, I didn't do it. All right, what I
No,
do?
the only thing I was asking was, when you're in a trade, do we see it on one of those two screens? Like, do we see the trade, or is it on another screen?
All right, you have to be a little bit more specific. What screens you talking about?
Well, right now I'm on your stream. I see a kind of like me. You have a kind of almost set up the same way I do it. Pretty much you do. You have a big screen, and then you have a smaller chart, a big chart.
Yeah, you can see my trade on there right now.
Really? You have a trade on now?
Well, it's over with. You can see the entry and the exit.
Okay, on the larger chart or the smaller one?
The smaller one. Let me go over
Oh.
here.
The smaller one.
Blow this up. Get my drawing tool. See it right there?
Okay, count to 8. There you go. Yep. Oh, there wasn't even 8. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just in it.
Yeah.
It's fast, doesn't it?
It does. Beautiful push on the Dow. Yeah, I'm not putting up the Joker. Good morning, Joker. Joker, when you were like in around there, the Cornwall area. First off, was that Cornwall, U.S. or Cornwall, Canada? I think Cornwall, Canada, right? Because I asked GPT about Cornwall. It said there's a Cornwall in the U.S. I think near Messina, and a Cornwall in they're close together in Canada. But no, the question I want to know is, did you have your passports with you? Because I wouldn't have been able to cross the border. My wife doesn't have her passport. She has to renew it. It expired. I mean, I still wasn't able to go, but had I been able to go, I wouldn't have been able to cross over the border into the U.S. because my wife doesn't have a passport. So I was wondering did you actually have your passports with you? Oh, we got a trade at 17. I missed it. Well, I'm going to go for the 50.
I got in a bit late myself.
I'm going to go for the 50%er. The 50%er is
get out.
03.
I like the trade. I didn't like that I got in late.
There's 06, 05, 04. There's the 03. 03
Still got like
was
5 points out of it.
Yeah, well, 03 was 50%. I took the 50% trade. It was a 1-to-1, 50%. 7 for 7.
I wanted to take it at the VWAP, but
bouncing off VWAP.
Late. What's up?
So if I looked at your chart, I would have seen it on your little one again, right?
Yeah, you can still see the entry and exit there now.
Why don't you link up the big chart to the same account as the little one, so it also shows up on the larger chart? Or that's because different system running on there?
That's the trading view.
Ah, gotcha. Oh yeah, you put up trading view even though you can't trade on it? Or can you trade on it? Enlighten me.
I don't know. I think if you do, I think somebody told me if you do, set it up different or something, you can. I don't know.
Hmm. Sorry, maybe my question is wrong. You can. My son does it. What
Yeah,
my
you go
question
through
was?
Trade or something, right?
Yeah, my question was, can you? Like, do you have it set up for you to be able to trade with it?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I'm not that sophisticated.
Hmm.
Now I do have my AMP Global set up through TradingView. I can trade that one, but I'm not going to trade that on stream. Losing $500 of prop firm money and losing $500 of your own money, it's a little bit different. So what are you saying? You think my trades ain't coming through good enough?
No, I'm just asking. I don't know. I don't watch your stream, so I don't know. And I was talking to a buddy about it yesterday. About the streaming and everything, and he was asking, if how you trade, and if your trades show up on the screen and everything. And I say, oh my God, I don't know. I never really watch. I mean, I have a stream on my phone here, but it's too small to see anything.
Yeah, I do wish it was more of the bigger screen that the trades are on. I don't know. I just feel like the trading view is the better one to watch.
Yeah.
That's the one I watch. I just click over to the other one, the buy, sell.
Well, I still have a theory. Most people aren't really watching the stream. When you were connected to a stream, did you actually watch the stream a lot, or were you still watching your charts? Most people are watching their charts.
No, I've never actually just sat there and watched somebody else.
Yeah, I don't think people do that.
It's always in the background.
Yeah. We're background singers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, I think most people just want to have a community, have people to talk to about the trades, and hey, what do you
Yeah.
think about this, or what do you think about that, or
Uh-oh. Oh, buggers. They didn't reset my account yet. Okay.
Bulenox?
Okay. Yeah.
That's not cool. I wonder what's going
No.
on with them.
Can't take my money and leave my account like that.
Now on the morning bot trades, I don't think those show up because that's on a different accounts.
Yeah.
I mean, I try to talk about it though.
Okay, we got below VWAP.
You know, maybe one day I'll copy my indicators over to NinjaTrader and be able to have that one full screen.
Mm,
I kind of like having the two different charts though, because a lot of times the prices are off. You get to see that.
yeah. When you mean prices are off, you're talking about like delayed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't seen that in a while though. It's been pretty good as far as that goes.
Yeah.
Come on, let's get below VWAP again. Let's get below VWAP.
I don't know. We came down and kind of hit the support. See where it goes from there.
You bugger. You bugger. Support. There was support.
Yeah, a little bit,
20,
yeah.
23,990. Oh, yeah, I see what you mean.
See a lot better on the hourly.
Little late on telling me again, but I see it.
I think I mentioned it about 4 times today.
But did you give the number? Did you give the level? Did you say 23,990 support?
I think I said 885.
Oh, yeah.
I'll have to
I gotta listen.
rewind
I gotta
the
listen.
stream.
So I gotta
watch.
listen to you more.
So you talk about other people listening to us. We don't even listen to each other.
To each other, yeah. I was gonna say the stream might work better if we don't ignore each other.
Yeah, it's just background noise. I could see a short here.
Yes, I'm trying to get in. Short at 96. I'm short at 95.50. Oh, God. Well, I'll add at 02. Hopefully it won't punish me. Let's go. 96, 80, 89 is the target. Just to let you guys know, I'm doing it on Bulenox in this case. And we're almost there. I got in at a better price, so I took it.
Yeah, I just ain't feeling it. I'm micro scalping today. Give me 3 points. Give me 5 points.
Yeah, I was doing that for a while also, and it really doesn't go well for me when I do that. Actually, the short trade is still valid. Hey, we didn't hit 89 and hold, so short trade, I'm shorting it again. I don't even care if I lose. It's a beautiful trade. The stop is at 10, just to let you know. I'm short at 03, so I have a 7-point risk. Come on, go back down. Let's go. Give me a bearish candle on the on this chart here, and I'll sell some more. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'll even mark it in. Come on, push. Yeah, there we go. Push lower. Give me $200 on this trade. Come on, push, 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 push. I got a 10 lot. I just need 10 points. Bugger went the wrong way. Didn't get my 89. Was it 89? Yeah, it was 89. It really does look like it wants to push lower.
Do you have a kind of like a inverse hammer on the hourly chart? Kind of a doji hammer. I don't know what you'd call it.
Well, you really got to have your orders in because it just spikes and jumps. Very hard to trade. Especially the way I trade, because I put in my limit orders when it gets there, but it's like going boom, boom. I've been noticing that it didn't have that personality for a long time, but it's lately it had that personality. I got back in on the short, went back up again. It never invalidated the trade. I kind of stopped myself out too early because I had a 10 lot and didn't want to lose too much. And the thing that I got up to like $150 on the trade, and I ended up being down, so I got out, took a small loss, got back in, back to break even.
Glad I got out. Probably would have got stopped out. I think I got 3 points off of it, but I could have got back in. Should jump back in when you did,
Mm.
but such is life. Looks like we're breaking this kind of support zone here. See if they're going to build structure or if they're just sweeping liquidity. Gold's still pushing. Good job for anybody that jumped in gold.
Mm.
I don't trade it, but I did call it out earlier. What was the other one? YM?
I'm in gold.
Well, I'm still pushing also.
Hey, that's interesting.
YM's up 300 points. Oh, wow. Zoom out. It's up even more than that. Bottom to high, almost 500 points. Good job for anybody that jumped in that one.
Shit. I forgot to add my indicators on. Not my indicators, the alerts. I was testing the bullish alert long to see if it was buying under the bands. So I don't understand why the short is covering. There's no cover. Just submit an order, mark it to buy. There's nowhere in this is there get out of a trade. Well, let's try it again and see. Short one. It's not using an ATM. Let's just confirm that again. Alerts. Scalper short. Submit an order. ATM strategy none. Cancel. Apply. Okay. So there's no reason for it to get out of this trade ever.
Ever?
Ever. Unless it crosses the bands. We'll watch.
That's too much of a commitment for me. Ever.
ever until it crosses the bands.
Butters is in gold.
The bands is out. Because you get decent size.
Hopefully Butters got a good price. Making that money.
It's kind of a combination of two systems. The one that I told you where you touch the bands and then you get a continuation, you jump in. And then, but you were telling me yesterday, just wait for 3-bar retrace and then wait for continuation and jump in. So yeah, this waits for kind of a little bit of a retrace, gets in on the retrace, small position, and it accumulates if it keeps getting the opportunity. But if you cross the bands, it gets out. Anytime you get a decent run, which happens very often in the day, you're going to pull in a lot of pips. You just got to watch it because you don't want to get yourself caught in a kind of a series where it runs far away from the bands, and that's where you get your position. So you want to watch it and work it, make sure you're near the bands when it's trading so your losses will be small. Let your accumulation happen near the bands. That's what I'm saying. Like right now, we're in the band. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, you could see it. We're in the band now. So now it's a great place to accumulate the position. 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, 5 lots. If it trades sideways, then we get a push down. I was in at the bottom tick earlier, then it came back down and consolidated my entry, so I got out and let it push to the upside before I re-entered. Wow, nice.
I like the ideal of a short here. but we did come down, kind of sweep that liquidity, like I was saying. So, do they want to push it up or do they want to go down? Plus, I'd like a bit more of a retrace. Think I'll just stay out of this one. Take a break. Get up, stretch. Grab me some more water. Be back in a minute.
Time is it? 10:18. Okay, so it's accumulating long positions, but you know what? I think it should work best if I put it in sync with the with Top Step. Top Step is short right now. I'm gonna let it run anyways because I do want to test it out still, make sure it's working properly, making sure that the long is not taken, never reducing the position, never getting stopped out until it gets below the bands. My mic keep on. Yeah, but this does really look like a bit of a retrace in a downtrend. If anything, I'm looking for continuation to the downside. What does this look like on the 30-minute chart? Well, if we get down to the 5 o'clock close, previous day's close at 950, which is also the previous day's high, that is where we made the next push higher. So I could see us trying to trade down to there. Hmm.
All right, what I miss? Anything?
No, I was just saying that I can see us trading down to 23,950 because that's around where the previous day's close is, previous day's high. They're both at the same place. And the last push up happened at that level also at 2:30 in the morning. The 950 to, it was a 70 point push off that level also. So
I think I'm starting to get old. I get up, I do a stretch, and it's like everything's like cracking and popping. Like, wow, the noise.
Yeah, no, that's not the noise of getting old. The noise of getting old is if you're going when you stand up, and that's the noise of getting old.
I may or may not make that one also.
I remember when I was young, I swear to God, I still remember this, how it recorded itself in my brain. There were people over at our house, and I think in their 30s, you know, my aunts, my uncles, whatever, and they would get up off the chairs or the couches, and they would groan, and like, I didn't get it. You know, you were so flexible, so limber. Everything was as smooth as butter. It was like walking through air, you know? And like, why are you making a noise to get up off a chair? It didn't make sense.
It makes sense now.
It does.
Yeah, sometimes I'll do that, and my kids will be like, "Oh yeah, my back hurts too." I'm like, "Okay."
Okay, why aren't you adding? You should still be adding. So inconsistent. Did I turn it off? Alert, long. No, it's on. That's weird.
So we're back at VWAP.
Yep. I'm not sure if I want to make a play to the downside or to the upside. So if I'm unsure, I keep my hand off the mouse.
Yeah, kind of getting mixed signals.
Yeah, I have it all over the board. I have everything. Play with my Chinese balls. I'm more likely to take a short, but I think it's gonna whack me. 89, it's short. I can get a better price. I got 94, 5 points better.
Yeah, look at all these wicks right now. Wicks everywhere.
Yeah, I know. Woodchip used to point that out for me. He was my the wick guy. Look at the wicks, look at the wicks. Look, the candles got better. There's less wicks. Okay, I cut the nice short.
Yes,
I'm glad. Come on, push. One more. Come on, I don't want to be greedy. One more.
Trigger.
One more. Very good. Oh, we didn't hit target yet. 89, 82 is target. If I would have noticed, I would have held. I missed it. I'd forgotten. There's the 82. And 82.75 is the 50% trade. And we almost got there, but we didn't get there yet.
Yep, turned out nice. I got scared out because of all the wicks.
Still trying to push to 75. There we go. Oh, didn't held. Now it did.
I almost thought about jumping in there. Breakout, but nah.
Breakout.
Not good at breakouts.
Isn't that the name of the donkey? Isn't the donkey's first name Breakout?
I named the donkey Chase.
Well, I think we
need.
The
breakout did work nice, though, didn't it?
It did.
Oh, that worked nice. It's okay.
Said,
stand behind my decision not to take it because of the wicks.
I still think we're going to go down to the 950 level.
It's got the 5-minute moving average at 9:59.
That means we're going to sweep it a little bit. Boom, boom, boom.
So, Butters, you still there? How long you doing the fast for? Or are you just kind of playing it by ear like I am?
Yeah, I'm removing
1 day, 3 days, 7 days. Mike, you could do a 7-day fast.
I did a 10-day fast once, but it was not a fast. It was what they call a juice fast. So
Yeah.
I was having like fruit juices, vegetable juices. You would strain them. You would get all the pulp out and everything. It was like just the pure juice.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, I did that. Long time ago, though. Long time ago. More than 20 years ago.
Was it easier back then?
Well, it was very easy because of the reason I did it. But it didn't bother me either. I mean, after, like you said, after a couple of days, you just lose your hunger. You just don't get hungry anymore. I don't know how many days it was. 1, 2, 3. Pretty sure it was more than one. I think it was around the 2 to 3 day mark. Then your body doesn't ask for food.
Thinking what I might try to do is maybe if I do today, I don't know, if I do it tomorrow, I'm still gonna have my drink.
Mm.
I think that's the hardest part. But maybe if I do past that, what I might do is start doing a shake in the evening, protein shake.
Protein shake, yeah.
Are you allowed to have coffee?
Black.
Why can you have coffee but I can't have Zip Fizz?
Zip Fizz. Him and his Zip Fizz.
I feel cheated.
There we go. There's the 50, 54. I don't make the rules.
I don't make the rules.
Now we look for a bounce over here. See, I'm not a bounce trader, but this is where you want to look for a bounce. If I were a bounce trader.
Yeah, butters, I know the protein shake will break the fast, but I mean, if I go all the way till tomorrow evening, that'll be what, 3 days? So that'll be a 3-day fast. And then come off the fast with maybe protein shakes. Do that for a couple days.
Oh, wow. This is interesting.
Or tomorrow's pizza day, so.
Oh, shit.
I mean, you know how hard it's going to be to get past pizza day?
Yeah. Cancel it. Pizza day is canceled. Pending
okay,
news.
let's think about this logically. You want me to tell my kids we're canceling pizza day on the first week of school?
For the benefit of your dad. Yeah.
You think they even like me? Over pizza?
Only water or black coffee. Yeah. That's exactly what happened, Butters, when I did my 10-day fast. Nothing was good anymore.
Yeah.
It was crazy how it all lost its appeal. And even Coke, I still remember it. I said that my first glass of Coke, it wasn't even interesting. It's crazy. It's like the body tells you that you like what you eat. Whatever it is that you're giving it, eventually your body tells you, "Ooh, this is good."
Plus, a lot of the pizza joints nowadays, they are just kind of mediocre, kind of suck.
Mm.
All the good pizza just costs so much money. When you got a bunch of kids and stuff to feed, kind of adds up.
Could have been mediocre pizza. Yeah, no, but I'm saying everything was no good when I started back up. That also was also something I remarked. I remarked 3 things with that. One of them was that I couldn't believe I was still pooping every day. That made no sense to me.
Shit.
Well, you figure after 7, I don't remember how many days I went. It was 7 or 10, probably 7. But you figure after 4 or 5 days not eating, you got nothing left in you.
I heard a thing before. I don't know how true it is, but it said like the average person has like 30 pounds of undigested red meat in their system.
I'm not sure if I believe that.
I would say maybe just undigested stuff. I don't know.
30 pounds, that's a big backup.
Yeah. Why do you think we all got these big guts? Right, I don't know. Whole American diet, French fries and hamburgers and.
Hey, so which setting did you put it on Discord? Did you go back to? Hold on.
I think it's on the voice one, right?
Did you go to voice isolation or studio?
Voice isolation. You back?
I did a mic.
He's like, screw you guys, I'm out of here.
I don't know why I always do that, but I always do.
What'd you do?
I closed Discord.
Oh.
My brain, I don't know. Yesterday, also, my wife, like I said, she doesn't have her passport. She was working on getting her passport yesterday. She had like the whole, it's like it's a lot of work to get your passport. I don't know how it is over in your country, but it's a lot of work, a lot of paperwork. She had it all up saved on screen. Poor girl. I wanted to minimize it, and I did the exact same thing. I hit the X. I closed it all. Yeah. She wasn't that mad, though. She didn't yell at me.
She was too mad. Sometimes you're just so mad, you're like, okay, just don't say nothing. This is going to get bad quickly. She was too mad to be mad.
Yeah, maybe. She was just so disappointed. It's like, fuck it. I don't need the passport.
I thought you didn't need a passport to go from Canada to the U.S.
Yeah, it used to be like that. Driver's license was enough, but then it changed. And then I think it really got strict after COVID. Yeah, the old days. The old days when I used to cross with my dad and my family, when we used to go shopping. We used to go shopping just over the border. It was a Canadian thing to do. My dad would give his passport. Then he would just ask, who else is in the car with you? My wife, my kids. Okay, go. It was that easy.
What'd Joker do? Delete all his videos? Go to his channel, don't see no videos.
Oh, yeah. Fresh start.
I guess so. Joker, you still there?
13-point range on the 1-minute candles.
You delete all your videos? Put them private.
Put them private. Yeah. I was asking before. I don't know. Maybe you answered. I didn't see it. You mentioned Cornwall on the weekend. Was that Cornwall, U.S. or Cornwall, the Canadian Cornwall? Because there's two. They're close together. There's one in New York and there's one in Ontario. Canada. Okay. Did you have your passports with you to be able to cross, let's say, into the border over into Canada? Could take a short here, but I don't want to. I do. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you heard. Okay. I don't know if you heard it. I mean, doesn't matter. Like I said, wasn't able to go. But yeah, my wife doesn't have a passport. She will soon. She doesn't have it now.
So, absolutely, if she doesn't have a passport, they won't let her cross.
No. There's no way. You're not crossing now without a passport.
Sneaker across in the trunk.
You know what I don't get? Okay, now of course not with the Trump presidency, but with the Biden when they decided to open their doors and let everybody in. Why they still had a border on the Canadian border? Like, really? If you're just letting everybody come in, why was it still strict for the Canadians? So weird. Logic doesn't make sense. Like, if I want to sneak into the U.S., I got to travel to Mexico and do it?
Apparently.
And then it's okay, you know? If you're just letting everybody in, let me in. Close the damn border.
Oh, at one point they had like caravans going miles.
Mm-hmm.
Like everybody was just coming over.
Yeah, it was ridiculous. They're such hypocrites, you know, when they're saying that they're trying to, whatever, humanitarian, or you got to help them out. Open the doors to your house.
Mm-hmm.
To your actual house. Go open your doors and tell people, whoever, the homeless, the criminals, drug dealers, people you want to help, you know, the less fortunate. Let them come and take over your home.
Our governor sent a bunch of them to that other place. Was it Martha's Vineyard or whatever?
Okay.
They all started crying. Our governor was like, "Here, y'all want them? Here, take them." And then they all started crying and talking about how it was messing up their neighborhoods and
they're
they
such
didn't feel
hypocrites.
safe anymore. And it's like, well, what's the difference?
Let this trade run. Have a good day, gentlemen. Have a good day, Butters.
Butters, have a good day. See, he's fasting too. He's probably ready to go take a nap.
Hmm.
I think I was watching one of the fasting videos and somebody in the comments was like, just make it easier, just nap all day.
That's it. That's what I'm saying.
Like, you're still doing it, just you don't have to be awake and miserable. Just go take a nap.
I get hungry at 9, 10 o'clock at night. If I go to bed, I don't wake up hungry. So that avoids all the nighttime eating.
Mm-hmm. Cheat code for fasting. Just take a nap.
Hey, you didn't say anything about my haircut.
You got a haircut?
Hey,
Doesn't it look the same? Oh,
nice
it is
hair.
different.
You got to say nice haircut.
Oh, nice haircut.
There you go. Thank you.
It's like a military haircut.
Remember
like a
in
military haircut or something.
In not high school, elementary school, you got a haircut. Everyone made fun of you. Michael got a haircut. Like you're not supposed to cut your hair or something, you know?
My wife had to force my son to get a haircut.
Mm.
And then she wanted to do it, so she's like messing it up. All right, well, let me try it like this or try it like that. He's like, Mom, I don't care how it looks. Just leave me alone.
Yeah. Actually, it's the same thing for the guy that cuts my hair. I tell him the same thing. I don't care how it looks. Just get me off the chair in 10 minutes.
There you go.
Guy's sitting there looking closely, snipping. What are you doing? If I run my fingers through the hair, they're not at the same level anymore. What are you micro managing the haircut there?
It's got to be hard on hairdressers, though, because you can only imagine how much people complain.
Yeah.
Everything's got to be perfect for your $10 haircut.
It's just the people, I think the younger generation, of course, they want something exact. But I tell them, you know what? Nobody looks at your hair. They look at your face. Your hair is peripheral vision. You see people adjusting a few hairs in the mirror. That's so ridiculous. No one outside of you notices that you moved a few hairs to the left or to the right. Doesn't
What?
change
You mean
anything.
nobody notices that?
Nobody notices that. Sorry to tell you, I have a short trade at 54. I'm going to try and get in at a better price.
I do too, but I also have a blue line and a purple line. I know the purple line's the Globex Open.
I got in at 55. This should go down to 447.
Oh, right, yesterday's high.
I only took a one lot because there's the Globex open, and what else did Omnius tell us is in the way?
Previous day's high.
Previous day's high. I'd mentioned that a bunch of times. That's the 950 area. And look how we're sucking on it, eh? Since 1028.
I would maybe not care about the previous day's high so much as I think that would be something to draw price to it.
Give me half a sec. I have a call. It's my wife. She wants to give me shit about the passport thing. Hold on.
Yeah. She just realized that she was mad.
Hit target! Close. Okay. Okay. Guess what I got to do?
Take a bath? You gotta take one at least once a week.
It's raining.
Oh,
Go bring in the laundry.
it's raining in the laundry?
No, go bring in the laundry. She's drying out. She's drying some clothes outside, you know?
In the rain?
Well, we didn't know. She didn't know it was raining when she put it out. Okay, I'll be back in a minute or two.
Have fun. Not really seeing much. Just kind of chopping around this Globex Open. Don't like trading around Globex Open. Trying to push down. Let's see what our next possible target might be.
I'm back.
He's back. Hello again.
My daughter helped me.
Oh,
Okay.
that was nice.
Pushing down, trying to see what the next possible target might be.
We got a little bit of support. Was that 23,922? Not the best. Let's see a red line. What's the red line? Is that today's low?
Today's
23,921.
I don't know. I don't know what red line
that would be the next target. 23,921 to the downside.
Yeah, that would be the U.S. session lows. Am I on? Is my mic on? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay.
So is it on or not?
I think it is. I'm getting bars on my OBS, so I don't hear myself on your stream. Let me check on my stream.
I don't hear you either.
On your stream? Yeah, I'm on. It's just your stream. Me on my stream here. Watch 1, 2, 3. Me on my stream here. Watch 1, 2, 3. So you got it a second time there.
What the hell? They kicked me off my stream.
No, I'm watching it, I think.
Let
me see.
No, I clicked over to it to see if I heard you, and put me on another video.
Oh, yeah, that happens. That's what I'm saying. It happens to me all the time with you were, when I came downstairs after bringing in the laundry, there was a different video on my phone. You were gone.
It's crazy, isn't it?
So I heard you, because I have the piece in my ear. I heard you as I went up the stairs. And when I came down, it wasn't you anymore. It was a video about UFOs.
Was it at least a good video about UFOs? He was like, oh, it's kind of interesting.
All videos about UFOs are interesting.
I don't want to get beat out by like a crappy video of UFOs.
It was the video about UFOs they don't want you to see. I've gotten so overexposed to all these titles like that they're all meaningless now. The video about UFOs they don't want you to see. Okay, I'm not clicking on that video. Now works the opposite.
Yeah, that's about the way it is for me. Like, all right, where's the one they do want me to see?
Too many videos hype up the title so strong, and then you go on and like some of it's not. They don't even cover the title.
My wife was telling me something about people talking about UFO coming or something.
Mm.
She's like, you heard anything about that? People at work talking about it.
Yeah, they're talking a lot more. It seems to be being pushed a lot more. I think what they're talking about is that I'm not going to call it a comet, whatever it is, that thing that they're following, Oumuamua 2, I think it's called Alpha 2 or something like that. Well, do you remember about Oumuamua, that long cigar-shaped rock that came, they say, from another solar system and wrapped itself around the sun and then left our solar system?
I don't remember that one.
Yeah, well, it was like a cigar-shaped big rock, maybe 300 miles long. I don't know. I'm just guessing. A big thing. But now they're saying one that 10 times the size is coming into our solar system. I don't know how. It's a ship. The thing is traveling so slow. It's not a ship. If it was a ship, it wouldn't be traveling at that speed. I have a short trade at 47. Do I take it? I'm getting 5-6 points better. Might as well, eh? And
I think I was watching some video and the guy was like laughing about it. He's like, they traveled at 100 times the speed of light to get to our solar system. And now they're just creeping through our solar system.
Yeah, I know. People don't think. Okay, my stop is at 61.
Long or short? I don't see your trade.
Short. The official short is at 47. I'm short at 55. So I got 8 points better. My stop is at 61. Let's see if I can get 10 points. Let's see if we can get it down to 45. Come on. 53. Where's his 45? Wow, 45 is all the way down there, eh? Well, we never know. It can go all the way up to 16.75, and then it can go down to 45. But I'm watching. Got my hand on the close button. 45. No, 47 is where I should be getting out 8 points. I'm still alive. Actually, if it forms a bearish candle, I'll add.
What if the aliens are just trying to bring us some really good food? We might like it.
Okay, I want to code something here quick. Omnius, you're getting your first strategy named after you, I think. The Omni Alert.
Why's it got to be after me? What if it's a bad alert?
Then I delete it. The Omni Alert. Add lot size. That's the first thing, always. Lot size. What's a good lot size? We're adding on this one. 1. We don't want to go higher than 1 because this is an accumulation strategy. Okay, what else do we need? We need the band parameters, which is what, when there's 3 of them, the percentage, moving average type, and period.
What I need is a nap.
MA envelope percent double delete 0.01. You know what I love coding? what I love about coding is when you code the long side, which takes you a little bit longer, but then the short side to inverse everything is so quick.
Especially if you can copy.
Invalid parameter name. Oh, I left spaces.
You set an alert, or you?
No, I'm coding it. It didn't work for the alert. I can't keep going in and out every time it crosses over the bands, turning one on, turning one off. If I do it in Strategy Builder, I can do it all automatic.
Yep.
You're the one that told me to do it in alert. You can do it in alert. You can do it in alert. How many times did you tell you forced me to do it in the alerts?
No, I didn't force you to do anything.
You strong-armed me.
Reminds me I had an indicator I accidentally made. I don't think it's doing anything. Is it still on? It's on. Maybe the 5 seconds was too much. What about 1 second? 2 seconds?
Oh, you know what?
I think indicators like this that use tick data, they're just not good in NinjaTrader.
It's too fast, and you're behind. What you see on the chart is behind the real data internally.
Well, NinjaTrader, from my understanding, it has tick data, but you have to select it in the tick replay for the indicator to print.
Okay.
Backwards. Like if you had like it's telling you orders, like a high volume order. But in order to see where it printed that before, you'd have to have the tick data. And then that crashes the chart. I know what it's trying to do. It's trying to give me an indicator. Quantower has one. But it works a lot better on Quantower. But I didn't find any use for it on Quantower either.
I would show what I'm doing, but if you don't understand, it's kind of useless, you know? Like if you see me setting a variable of longs enabled Boolean false, it doesn't give you any information if you don't know what that is, you know? Doesn't really help you out because it's so simple to code these things once you just learn the basics, you know? Anyways, add if first one, price, the close is greater than the open. This is on bar close, right? Yes, it is on bar close. Is it on bar close? Yes, it is on bar close. Close is greater than the open. Next.
You're the one coding
it. The open. Whoa. Lightning, thunder. Making my dog bark.
Uh-oh. Hey, that video I told you that they had blocked on YouTube, I changed the name of it, and then I got a bunch of views.
Oh yeah, I saw. I didn't notice that you changed the name on it though. I didn't pay attention. That's the better word. But I did see that it was like at 230 or something. I think I saw last night.
Yeah, I posted two of them. Like one's at 850 now. The other one's at 700. But the one I knew it was the word in the title.
Yeah, I remember.
I was like, they're blocking it because of that word. I was like, okay, let me change that word. Let me just take that word out. See what happens.
Is that what you did? You just took that word out and everything else stayed the same?
just took that one word out.
But did you not delete the first video? Did you just change the title, or you deleted the video and re-uploaded it?
No.
Which is
I just took the word out.
Just change the title, eh? Crazy, eh?
So I had the feeling I was blocking it because of that word. Had like what, 5 views. Then I took that word out and like in no time went from 5 to 800.
Yeah.
Which I guess it makes sense if they're looking at it in like a negative way, but I didn't feel like it was a negative way.
I got 6 different moving average types in my MA envelopes. And then when I'm in Strategy Builder, it asks for which one that I want to use. And you have to put in a number. Do you think I want the first one. Do you think the first one is 0 or the first one is 1?
Huh. I don't know about that one. I would assume the first one's 1. But you can't pick. Why don't you just use a regular moving average?
Yeah, I can. I don't know. I just did it with that.
Yeah, I would just, if you're just looking for a moving average, I'd maybe just look up EMA or SMA or whatever.
If I put 55 as the and I make a band out of a 55 period EMA, it's not the same as these bands. These bands are using, I think, like a little bit of standard deviation or something.
Could be looking for a short here. I kind of feel like it's ready to go.
Yeah.
Take it there. I did get a kind of a bad feel. Too late in the day to be trying to wait for moves. Still think it's going to go, though. And I'm green on the day. I don't want to give it back now. I got what, 12? Wait, hold on. 12, 16, 17, 18, 20, 25, 26 points for the day.
That's a good amount of points.
Plus on the eval had if I could find it. 2 trades today or 1 trade? Where'd it go? God, it's so hard to see because
Your eyes are getting worse.
It smashes everything.
Yeah, it's all smashed, eh?
Yeah, I gotta find out how to get it to not auto scale.
What?
There's too many lines.
Where?
In the bot code. So it sets up the lines for the open range, but then it's doing 3 or 4 different open range. So it's got all these lines, and then it's stretching even the ones from the previous day. So then, and then it's got everything to auto scale.
Why are you even displaying the indicators inside your code? Why don't you just do it separately and then remove auto scale?
Because I want to be able to see it.
Yeah, but then you put them on yourself.
Well, I don't have the indicator.
Oh, okay.
I can maybe tell GPT to make me one.
Mm.
Yeah, I took one trade today. I think it was 7 points.
$26.
I was messing with my bots last night a little bit, and so I got 4 of them. One of them started doing a little bit bad, so I just took it out.
Mm.
And with the other 3, it's kind of messing around with how far could I stretch to take profit, or if I pulled it back a little bit, does my win rate go up? Try to get the best setting. Then increase my contracts by a little bit.
Take profit hit. Good job. 24.30 to 20. Wow. Nice one. $26.33 is where I add. I'm short at $26.75. I'll add at 33. If we get down under the 20s, I'll just cover this trade. 25 bid, 24, 23, 24, 23. Come on, let's break 20.
You gonna trade?
Yeah, short. 3 lot Bulenox. Oh, soon time for the what do you call it? Coin flip strategy.
What time we do that?
11:15. No, don't do that. Bastards. Again, they did the deep dip by like 5 points and then just shot right back up. Didn't even give me a chance to take anything. Oh, well, I had 70 and I got out 20. Salavi, what can you do?
Still going.
You know what you can do? I know what I can do. I used to use an ATM for my top step trades. That's when the cash register used to ring. Cha-ching, cha-ching, all the time. I stopped doing it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's better, especially in this market environment, because it just keeps it. I'll call it wicking. You know, it's not wicking. Sometimes it continues, but still, you know, it goes, hits, let's say 23,910, shoots right up to 23,920. Wait, give me a minute. Let me try and get some action at 23,911 or something. Anyways, I'll go back to coding. I got you know what?
He's like, whatever, I'm going back to coding.
Explain me this. I can
Riddle
be
me
green.
this, Batman.
Explain me this, Batman. I can be green almost every day. Seriously. But I get to a level where I could be green and I can't extend it. If I continue to trade, it's just up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down, and I stay at that level. Now, that's assuming I don't lose my shit because it goes down and then I increase size and turn it red. But, you know, I can't get it to progress stair-step style throughout the day as I continue. Like I'm at, I don't know what, hold on, let me click OK on this. Okay. I'm at plus 607 on my funded futures account. If I tried to trade, I could probably trade from now till 3 o'clock, and I'll bounce between plus 400 and plus 800 and end the day with plus 600. My money is always made in the first half an hour. After that, I tread water.
Plus, after half hour to an hour, you start getting fatigued. You start jumping in the trades that you probably shouldn't be in.
I was wondering about that. Am I making poor decisions?
Right.
Am I entering late? Well, now I feel even worse.
They say your first hour of trading is your best hour.
Mm.
Because you stare at the chart too much, you just get fatigued from the whole process.
So it's like marriage. First hour of marriage is the best hour. Everyone after that gets worse.
Cue future floor's wife. And 3, 2.
No. You know what? I heard her. She just came through the door, so she's not on right now. Remove.
Like everything else in life, marriage has its ups and downs.
What do we want to do? Short. Add. Miscellaneous. Shorts. True. Okay. What else do we got to do? We got to exit.
No, in a minute.
Okay. Okay, guys. I'll keep you entertained with my coding. Add. We want it to start only in real time. We don't want it to go back and say, oh, you're already in a trade. So current state equals state real time. Can you see that? Let me see. Miscellaneous state real time. Yeah, you can see everything. Everything is in the right place. So okay. And now add if longs are enabled. So if long equals true, that means long trades are enabled. If long trades are enabled, I do not want to be in any short trades, so I'm going to exit all short trades. That's the first thing, exit short trades. Whatever current position size, whatever it is, we don't know because we're accumulating. It's a market order, and that's it. So we get out of our longs. Let's copy this for our shorts. We still have more work to do in that tab, but real time, if longs enabled, true. Let's change that to short enabled. Short enabled equals to true. There we go. Now we don't want to exit our shorts. Remove, add, we want to exit our longs. Exit long position, strategy, current position size. That's it. Add a coffee. Now let's again long enabled, short enabled, long enabled. If long is enabled, then it's true. What do we want to do? Add. No, we don't want to add. We want to put in. Oh, wait. Back. I forgot something. Next. 11:15 coin flip. I'm ready. I don't know if he heard me. Now he will. 11:15 coin flip.
Let's do it.
I'm ready to go. Everything is set up. The right account is chosen.
Heads.
Okay, we're long at 0550.
Just made me cringe hearing you say it. We're long.
And we're down 5 points. And that's now 3-1. Let me get out of here. Hold on. All entries, unique entries. Let's make it a max of I don't know. What's a good amount to accumulate? 8. I don't want to take more than 8 entries.
Yeah, I think this is still dumping.
Yeah, we're close to getting stopped out at 895. But we didn't get stopped out yet. Good time to buy. So close.
Tells me I would want to buy.
Stopped out. You had to flip aheads, huh? What were you thinking?
Like I said, when you said it, I was cringing. I was like, no, I don't want to go along here.
Okay, I'll put in I'll update the data. Just give me a minute.
I forgot my water. I'll be right back.
Yep. So what do I want to do? Order management. Oh shit. It's got to be on every bar. Oh, we're going to have a problem. Why are we going to have a problem? Because if I tell it to enter a law by a limit order, lot size, limit price. Oh, maybe not. We'll see. Price, close 0, ticks. We'll check it out. Long offset. Okay. Okay. And then we want to do the same thing over here. And we're going to do some little bit of manual management. Lot size. Oh, no. There's an error here. Limit price. Price, close, ticks, short offset.
I don't know. I do think the cold water makes it taste better.
Yeah. Makes what taste better? The water?
The water, yeah.
I'm out of coffee. I'm going to try now some water here. Let's try it. Smell it.
You gonna add water to your coffee?
We're going to try some water. Yeah, maybe if I put it in my coffee cup, maybe I'll like it better. There you go.
Are you one of those people that don't like water?
Yeah, I'm an anti-water. It's not entirely true, but just to drink it randomly like now, it's like taking medicine.
It's funny. You gotta watch that movie, Idiocracy. The guy, that movie I was telling you about.
Okay.
The guy's like, they can't grow crops. The guy's telling them to put water on it.
Mm.
All the people are like, out the toilet? You want to put toilet water on our crops?
But would it matter?
Oh, look at this guy. He wants to put toilet water on our crops.
Like, if you knew carrots were grown with toilet water, would you not buy them? Would it matter? Would they taste different?
Well, I mean, they do use shit to grow food.
There you go.
It's just funny. It's a funny movie. It's on YouTube. You can go on.
Yeah.
You can go on YouTube and watch it.
What is idiosyncrasy?
Idiocracy.
Idiocracy. Sounds like Dumb and Dumber, just the YouTube version.
It's not a YouTube movie. It's a movie. It's in theaters.
Okay.
You can just watch it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Interesting fact about the movie: when they was making the movie, they was looking for some cheap shoes
Okay.
for people to wear because it was on a budget. Because they had this huge budget for it, but then when they made the script, a lot of the people pulled out because they didn't like how it was calling people dumb.
Yeah.
So they was on a budget, and they found these shoes, and they found this shoe company, and I was like, look at this company. This really is how dumb people are going to be in the future. And the shoe company was called Crocs.
Crocs. Well, all press is good press. Let's go with that. Remove.
Funny movie though. Talks about smart people, like they want to go to college and they want to do everything else before they have kids. Dumb people are just breeding like crazy.
Yeah, the birth rate is going down severely. That's another thing we were talking about, actually. My great grandfather's generation, 12, 13 kids.
Uh-huh.
The grandparents was 7 on average around, I find, in my opinion. The parents was started to get smaller, 3, 4, 5.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's 1 to 3, I would say.
Yeah, I agree.
We went for we have a big family. We have 3 kids.
Yeah.
That's like a big family. You could go rent a room somewhere or anything you want to do. It's always for 4. The 5th one is, okay, who's staying home? Who's not coming?
Yeah, sometimes you rent like an Airbnb or something, and they're like 4 people max.
Yeah, everything's for 4 now.
It's like I was asking my wife one time. We had a B&B, Airbnb, and I was telling her, I think her cousin or somebody was around. I was like, have them come by, hang out. She's like, we can't because we had to sign a thing saying that we wouldn't have more than 4 people.
Mm.
I'm like, well, what if you have 3 kids? She's like, I don't know.
Mm. Well, me and my wife, a long time ago, but me and my wife rented this place just up north. And you had to tell it how many people. So we said, well, my daughter was coming. So we said 2 adults. And I said 1 child. She was under 18 at the time. So there was a surcharge for the 3rd person. But my daughter was only coming. We're staying there 2 nights. She was only coming the 2nd night. I swear to God, there were locks on the doors, and for the first night, let's say for Friday night, the only bedroom door that was unlocked was the master bedroom. They actually locked it with a key, and then when the maid came to clean the next day, she unlocked for Saturday night, she unlocked the other bedroom door for my daughter to come. I said, oh my God, it's like they don't even want you, like, they're even preventing you from lying, because if you're going to lie, you got to come with your sleeping bag, because they locked the bedroom doors.
Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know what people do if they have 5 or 6 kids. Guess you got to rent 2 rooms.
Yeah. Wow, it's really raining hard out there.
My wife's like, yeah, you can only have 4 people. I'm like, what if you have 3 kids? Wait. And then she said, well, you can ask them to have more people over. So I told her, okay, well, message the guy, see if your cousin can come by for a little bit. She messaged the guy. He said no.
No kidding. That's nuts. Okay, well, we'll never rent here again.
Then the guy's like, hey, y'all are great guests. Let me know next time. I'll definitely have y'all again. Like, I don't know about that.
Yeah, exactly. You're so stupid when you do stuff like that. People don't know how to run a business.
I mean, I kind of understand from their point of view. Especially if it's the first time you stayed there. They don't want somebody renting it and having everybody in the world over there.
Yeah.
Causing problems.
That I get to. The party, yeah, you can say no parties. But to have a guest over to keep you company, and even if they want to stay over for the night, I'm renting the place, just like when I rent a car. When I rent a car, you don't ask me, you don't charge me because someone's going to sit in the passenger seat. Give me the car. I'm renting your car. I do with it what I want, as long as I don't damage it. That's what the car rental is for. It's for me to have a car. If I'm renting your chalet or your cottage, what you guys call a cottage, I get to use the cottage the way I would use it if it were my own. If I would invite friends to my own cottage.
Yeah, but imagine you go somewhere to meet family or something. You rent an Airbnb, and you're like, okay, we're going to have the family come over and meet with the family. And they're like, oh, no, you can't have guests. What do you mean? It's the whole reason we came here.
The reason we came. Too bad.
What are you talking about?
Too late. Too bad. Okay, let's change it to Sim 02. This is certainly going to have errors in it. They always do. Let's go to Sim 102 and let's watch it. Omni Alert is live on the charts. Let's see if it works well. Let's see how much money you make us.
I don't know nothing about it.
Did you click the like button on my stream?
Why in the hell would I like your stream?
Because my chart setup is the same as yours?
Yeah, I liked it. I liked it like 2 hours ago.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to get a short trade. Where do I take it?
Ah, look, you said something about liking the stream and your viewer count went down.
It went down to 0.
Like, I don't know, I ain't liking your stream.
It's that difficult.
You know what's funny is I don't understand it, but I was the same way. I told you that. You know, it's like,
What? Oh,
not
yeah.
like,
I wouldn't
not-
leave.
no, I wouldn't leave, but I mean, I wouldn't comment. I wouldn't like. People don't realize how, like, what it does until they're streaming, I guess. I don't know.
No, but I get it. You know, I don't work for you. What do you mean comment like? Hey, my cat's biting me, wants to eat. No, I get that 100%.
I want this short, but I don't want the risk. I'm going to lower my size and jump in.
I got in, made $100. Just saying. Wow, it's just, I'm always amazed at how often we have the exact same trade, almost to the second.
I took mine for, was it 9 points, 8 points?
Yeah, I got, but what I have of 10, I got 9 points.
7.5. That's fine. And look at that, it pushed back up.
Wood chip, big move coming. We haven't seen a meme in a long time. Let's get a meme
Wood
going.
chip.
Let's
Where
get
you
a
see
wood
wood
chip.
chip?
My alarm came up. It said wood chip.
Ah.
Let's get a wood chip meme. Oh, it doesn't work anymore. It's true, I forgot. Oh, there it is. It's working now. For a while, the video was stopping to play. I don't know, maybe I just had to reboot my computer. Wood chip was telling me that at 11:30 often there's a decent sized move. Look out for a decent sized move. But I never really asked him, is it kind of like the 10 o'clock reversal? Like, you know, is it from like 11:20 to 11:40, or does he expect it really right on the 11:30? Maybe it's tied into when London closes. I can't imagine London closing at 11:30 though. I would assume it would be 11 or 12. Most likely 11. Okay, Omni Alert is short too. On the bottom screen, let's open it up a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. Especially for you phone users who have to squint.
I want to know if they're talking about cutting interest rates in September. Does that mean my 20-year treasury bonds will go back up?
My fingers are crossed for you.
Yeah, don't matter to me much either way. I mean, it kind of does because I got in a little bit heavier than I probably should have. But market goes up, I make money. Market goes down, I make money on this one.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Dave. It's raining.
And this one I got
my last contract
was a bond to buy right strategy.
Can I put you on hold just for a sec, Omnius?
Yeah. Yeah, we see you. You gotta turn the meat off.
I'm back.
Hello again.
Hello. I didn't trade my Take Profit Trader account today. I guess I'm not going to get to it.
Do you find it difficult going through all the different accounts?
Very difficult. I wanted to ask Joker about it, how he does it, or somebody else also. I don't get it, and that's why I was trading user 421 today. I don't know if you see it. Are my accounts showing? No, they're not showing. I have this account called user 421. It's with funding futures. And then I have with my funded futures and Take Profit and Top Step and Bulenox and Apex.
God,
And
why so many accounts, though?
yeah, like, so what do I do? Do I trade the open with one, or do I just rotate? And I don't know. I like trying out the firms. Number one, I like seeing their programs, and I don't know. And the only thing that really gets to me is Bulenox. I always have that Bulenox clock in my head with their 5-day thing, you know? So I gotta open up Bulenox. I don't know if I traded it this week. Then the other problem is I take a few trades, I make $100-$150, and I say, okay, are they going to count that as a flipping day?
Why would $150 be a flipping day?
I don't know. They don't define what a flipping day is. Oh, I'll tell you why I think that maybe. Because when it was an eval, on the eval, I could take like 50, 60 trades in a day. But now that it's funded, I trade it more cautiously. So I'll only take like 2 to 5 trades. And then I close it down. I close it down minus 100, plus 150, whatever, you know? So I'm saying, I'm worried they're going to count them all as flipping days. Anyways, we'll see. I have one coming close to a payout. We'll see what they say. I'll keep you informed. And I just got another PA from Apex. I don't know. I've never seen that before. The contract seemed like it really changed. I'm going to go over it. I printed it. It was a 20-page contract. Looked like there was a lot of new stuff in there.
For Apex?
Yeah.
Have to give it to GPT, tell it to give you a summary.
I did that once. It was lousy, and now GPT-5 is horrific.
Oh, yeah?
I think they're trying to save resources or something.
They was talking about how much better GPT-5 was.
Not in my opinion.
Not my opinion either, because now they limit me too much. Plus, some of the other ones are getting better.
Mm.
I feel like there's a lot of competition in that field now.
Yeah, I'm gonna try the other ones because GPT, it can't even count, can't even do a simple word count anymore. I gave it I don't know, an 8-page document, and it told me there was like 600 words. I go, you're kidding me, right? So it does a recount. I don't know, it just kept getting it wrong and wrong and wrong and wrong. So then I just cut a small piece out. And it got it wrong. So then I went down to 9 words. 9 simple words. And it told me 8. I said, you're joking. No, there's 8 words there. I said, okay, identify each word, go to the first word, print it out, and put a number beside it. And do it for all the words. So it did it for all the words, and the last word, whatever it was, animal. And the number was 9. So I said, okay, what's the number that you got there beside that last word? 9. Oh, you're right. Sorry. Yeah. Really?
Yeah, it's been doing a lot of that lately. You're right. I'm sorry.
Are you kidding? You can't even count 9 words? What the hell did they do? And then it told me that for the big text, for the big text there that I sent it goes, we truncated. Or I truncated or something. I only looked at the first part, at the first paragraphs or the first 2 paragraphs. Mm-hmm. I go, why? I told you to count all the words. Yeah, but I don't know what it said. I mean, I'm not going to go over it, but something that's how we do it now. We're only look at the small section. We're not reading the whole thread anymore. I'm not keeping that into memory. I said, okay.
It told me something about extended memory. I don't know. I was arguing with it yesterday. I was arguing about the difference between a right and a privilege.
Yeah.
And of course I Googled it first, and Google's all like, oh, it's a privilege. I'm like, you're full of shit. So I went on GPT and I'm asking GPT, and it says, oh, it's a privilege. I said, well, answer me this then, And I asked it a few questions, and it's like, well, now you're making it sound more like a right. I'm like, okay, because it is. And it was funny.
It's funny for that, but when you're trying to do work, it's aggravating. Mike, are you playing with the chocolate? No, I'm playing with the...
He is playing with his chocolate balls.
I'm playing with dung balls.
He is.
You guys hear it, I guess? Sorry. Put him away.
He likes playing with his balls.
Yeah,
he likes balls and candles.
You and your balls. Going back to GPT, yeah, you're wasting your time now. You're trying to do work, and you have to go back and forth like 100 times. Because it's not remembering what you wrote about on top. It's not reading the thread. It's not keeping it in memory. Could you imagine having a conversation with someone where you completely forget all the previous sentences? Hey, I'm going to a party tonight. Okay, what time you going?
Where you going?
Yeah, 4. You're going to the party at 4 o'clock? What party? Like it didn't read, it forgot about the party. I mean, are you kidding me? Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. They'll have to do some updates or something.
Seriously, I don't know who thought that would be a good idea, to not keep in mind or in memory the conversation. Or maybe 90% of people are using it for simple queries like, what's the difference between Central Time and Eastern Time? Or What's the population of Canada? So they figured that since 95% of the people are using it for that, we're only screwing 5% of the users, you know, to hell with them.
Yeah, they was complaining a few months ago, talking about how it's costing them millions and millions of dollars because people say thank you.
Mm.
Could y'all stop saying please and thank you?
Hey, what just happened? Well, if it's costing them millions and millions of dollars for that, think how much money they're making.
Yeah, right. Well, I don't know if they're making a whole lot of money yet. I think they're hoping in the future they'll make a bunch of money.
Mm.
You know, when you start a business, first 5, 10 years or something, you're not making much money.
You're right.
I think even Grok and some of the other ones, they're talking about how they're pouring billions of dollars into it. I think Grok's been getting better.
Grok couldn't count the words either.
Really?
It was as off as GPT, like way off, not even close.
Oh, I seen a post this morning I was watching. It was talking about Google's AI policy, and like a month or so ago they were saying that Google didn't want AI on it, and I guess they updated it. They're like, no, that's not what we meant. So now they're encouraging AI.
Okay.
And they're supposed to be coming out with some new AI features for the videos and stuff.
Okay, you mean YouTube?
Yeah, I thought I said YouTube.
No, you said Google.
Well, same thing. But you're right. Yeah, YouTube. That's what I meant.
For me, when someone says Google, I think of just the search engine. But yeah, YouTube is owned by Google. So I sent in my information onto Twitter at Team YouTube 2 nights ago. Coin flip.
Is that how you message YouTubes on Twitter?
Yeah, it's the only way to get support. You get 233 characters to explain your problem.
Really? One of the biggest companies in the world, and to get support, you got to go to a different company.
Mm.
Tails.
Okay, we are short at 51.75.
Skeletor, how's your trading going? Any good trades? You looking at anything? Playing with your balls? What's going on?
Mm.
I think Mike just sits there all day playing with his balls.
Yeah, I've got him again to watch the trade. They're so much better than the metallic balls that I used to have.
Now you're just getting particular about what kind of balls you play with.
Hey, everyone has a preference. But the metal ones, and there was this thing that would jingle inside. Drive me nuts. These are heavy. They have a good feel. These balls feel good. I can't believe you haven't gotten yourself a set yet.
I got some spinner balls. I don't know how good they work.
Yeah, you always showing me a spinner. Go get 'em. I need your address. I'm going to send you Chinese balls.
I guess these work in the hand too. I don't have that hand fetish about playing with balls.
You're more relaxed than I am. That's all I can say.
Skeletor playing with the bots. Is that code word for balls?
Yeah, Skeletor's been doing a lot of work.
Yeah, he's been working on his bots.
Mm.
Yeah, instead of playing with balls in my hand like that, they're spinners. Just spin them.
Well, we got close to TP. Very close. TP is at 41.75.
Don't have balls to play with right now. The woman took them?
Either
It happens.
the woman took him or the woman's using them. Woman's playing with the balls.
Oh, the woman's playing with the balls.
I don't share my balls.
And I don't share my balls either.
My balls are my balls.
How's the Skeletor? How's the bot coming along?
What do we got? We got a 5-lot long with my bot. And we got a 5-lot short with the Bulenox with the coin flip strategy. Which looks like we were a point away from taking profit. There we cha-ching! You guys heard it. You heard the cash register. Cha-ching, cha-ching.
Flip.
Yep, so that's one winner, one loser. Let's put that on the record. I know my camera will probably disappeared there for a minute. Let's see what that looks like on your stream. Did it happen yet?
Testing different settings with Ninzarenko and other with 30-second candles. I don't know. I don't remember how good the bots do with the Renkos. I guess.
Look at that. That's weird.
What happened?
My camera capture is off on my stream, but not on your stream. You're still bringing me in somehow.
Well, you're still there. I see you.
Well, no, I'm not, because look on my stream.
We're not on the stream. Did you close Discord?
Nope. I just covered it with something. I covered it with something.
Yeah, you got to have a piece of it showing. If you put it in the background, it goes into a low state mode.
Okay. I forgot what I was doing. Does anybody remember why I was even opening up my browser? Oh, yeah, to update.
Prism told me one time that with the Windows 11 update or something that they made it where apps do that now.
I think that's going to cause a lot of problems, that update. Or, no, not that update, but when they stop supporting Windows 10. What's the date
I got
today?
Windows 10 on my laptop. I don't know, I need to update. I haven't updated it in a while.
And the balance of the account is $54.88 from $55.97. How did we go down $100?
Didn't we just have a losing trade earlier?
You're not going to be happy. I took it on my master account.
What?
I took the second trade on my master account. Thank you for giving me $100.
Told you I'm selling this coin on eBay.
That is just so funny. I forgot to change accounts.
Imagine how mad you'd have been if you lost.
I know, I would have. Okay, well, I can't make an adjustment. I have to put the balance. The balance is what the balance is, 488. And that was one winner, one loser. So 14 and 7. Well, it's still running at 66% accuracy. Update. There we go.
Skeletor, how's the bot doing on the Ninzarenko? You getting a good risk reward on it? Profit factor? Mike, I told you I had to pause one of my bots, right?
Yeah.
Well, out of the 4 I'm using for the open range bots.
Okay.
It's like the other three are still doing great, but just one of them just started taking losses.
Mm.
What the hell? What happened? So I just paused it. I'm just gonna run the other three for a while and let that one work
You run the
itself
money
out.
evals, or you run the money evals, or sim
evals,
testing? Yeah, you run the money evals.
Sometimes sim, sometimes evals.
Mm. Wow, I'm really disappointed. Bulenox didn't reset my accounts.
I thought you said they were.
No, I said they didn't. Remember? I said I contacted them. They didn't. I said
I
maybe.
thought you told me.
No.
I thought you
Misunderstood.
said that you contacted them and they said they were.
No, that they would do it, but they didn't do it.
Really?
They said
I'd
they would.
mess-
That's the thing.
I'd
They said
message-
they would, but they didn't.
I'd message them again.
I will. Trust me. As soon as I get off, that's like, what is that? Priority number one.
And I'd be saying, hey, I done lost this many days. Are we gonna like fix the days or what?
Nah.
I mean, I only lost like 2 days, so I wasn't that worried about it. But I mean, if you lose a week, that's a big deal.
Not getting continuation. We bounced off the initial balance low, which is exactly, isn't it funny that the initial balance low is also where the previous close was, or what you call the Globex open? You call it the Globex open, eh, when you refer to that number?
Yeah, normally.
Because it's right around the previous close. Usually it's very rare that it gaps midweek, which was also the previous day's high. That 23,952, 23,948 area, those 4 points.
I think when I was looking at my bot, I think the one I paused, I think I could change the settings to make it work good again.
Mm.
But I really didn't want to do that because I want to try to keep the settings the same as far as the basic strategy. I don't want to have to keep chasing different settings.
Mm.
I think that's a problem people get into with bots.
That's it for me. I don't think I'm going to be taking any more trades. We're coming up to 12 o'clock.
Time for my nap.
I ain't going to touch Bulenox. I'm not going to touch Take Profit Trader. Oh, I have MFFU I could have done something with. I forgot about it. But nah, 12 o'clock, that's it for me. You know what I've been doing, though? I've been coming back at 350 for the last 10 minutes. There's usually a nice burst of volatility in the last 10 minutes. I've been trading that.
But it's kind of iffy around that time, I think.
Mm.
You get the algo kicking in last 10 minutes.
Yeah, well, that's what I like. It's kind of like trading the open. It's fast and furious. Sometimes you can catch really good runs. Last couple of days.
Sometimes I'll come back around 1:30 or 2.
2's a good time, I think.
Yeah. Well, a lot of times you find good trades around 2 o'clock.
Yeah, 2 is good. I think there was, Woodchip was telling me this. There's some guy that streams around 2 o'clock regularly. Brian Stunk. I don't know if you've heard of him.
Yeah, I heard of him. If I was guessing, with not much to go on, I would assume that we're going to get trend.
I wouldn't be surprised to see that.
All right, then. You said that's it?
Yeah, it's enough. Nothing to do during the lunch hour,
Yeah.
So, call it quits.
Fatigued and stuff. I'm going to take a nap.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Appreciate everybody hanging out.
It's freaking out.
See everybody tomorrow morning. Hope everybody's green. If you're not, don't worry about it. Don't go on tilt. It's always tomorrow.
Okay, guys. On my end, I'm not sure if I'm going to stream tonight. If I will, it'll be around 5:45. I'll try to be on. If not, 9:15 or... Oh, no. Tomorrow is PPI. I'm going to be on, I'm going to try to be on for 8 o'clock. So,
JC says the channel's freaking out. Keeps cutting and repeating.
That's probably her phone. It's working fine on mine. I can see here I'm touching my nose. 1, 2, 3 on my stream. And there I am touching my nose. No, it's working 5. We can't hear you well. I don't know. I think it's your phone, JC. Let me open my volume. We can't hear you well. Nope, working well on my end. Everything's working good. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna.
All right, guys. Before y'all leave, make sure to hit the like button. Really does help out. Appreciate everyone.
Wait, no. Before you leave, Mike wants to check on YouTube how it's working on his phone.
Yeah. Check it.
Don't go anywhere.
All right. I'm gonna go use the bathroom while you're doing that. Give me 2 seconds.
Okay, go. Nope, my phone's working. It's not cutting off. Everything is good. Okay, so in the meantime, it's the end of the day. I'll open up my account so you guys can see how I did for the day. I don't like to do it while I'm trading, but once my day is over. So we really only got one account there, user 421 plus 607. The other account, Sim101, that was the alerts that we were testing, and Sim102 is testing the Omni bot that I coded today. And that one is down. And aside from that, then I have 2 other accounts on Bulenox. One's up 173 and one's up 155. And that's my day for today. I don't think I'm going to be taking any more trades. Maybe I'll get in at 355. Just to let you know, you made a noise as you sat down.
No, it's the chair.
No, it was you. I didn't hear if you made a noise when you got up. But I do. I turn my mic off before I get up.
Yeah, sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. You gotta get a real feel in the trading, right? That when you're trying to get up.
Okay,
after you've been sitting here for what, 2-3 hours?
Yeah.
It's okay.
We're all good, guys. That's it. We said our goodbyes already. See you tomorrow or tonight. Take care. You want to give them your peace sign?
No.
Not yet?
No. Oh, later, guys.
Bye.
Not this again. Tried to size down Trump again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise, but not in fake. House lurking, price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil. like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.